If you're nearing retirement and wondering how to grow your wealth long term, venture capital investments might sound like an appealing option. But can they truly help you secure your financial future? Or are they just risky? In this video, I'll break down how venture capital can play a role in building long-term wealth during retirement, while also explaining why gold IRAs are often the more reliable choice for securing your savings. Venture capital involves investing in early-stage, high-potential companies with the aim of earning massive returns. These investments often seem enticing, especially for retirees looking to grow their portfolio, but they come with significant risks. The key is understanding how to manage those risks and blend them with more secure options like gold IRAs. Now, I get it. You want to see your wealth grow in retirement, but you're also concerned about the safety of your savings. That's why many high net worth retirees are shifting their focus to alternatives like gold IRAs. Gold IRAs are stable, recession resistant, and historically have offered protection during times of market volatility. For many retirees, a mix of different types of investments can work, but venture capital should be a small part of your overall strategy. If you want to grow your wealth, sure, you can explore some venture capital options, but keep it as a controlled, calculated move, knowing that you're also backing it up with more stable options. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, you should take a look at the free Gold IRA guide linked below. This guide shows why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. If you have over $50,000 in an IRA or 401k or 5M Plus in savings, you don't want to miss this. Back to venture capital. There are certain advantages here. With venture capital, you can gain access to innovative companies that could experience explosive growth. However, it's critical to remember that many of these startups will fail. The key is knowing how to diversify and minimize the risk. If you're only investing a small portion of your portfolio into venture capital, you can benefit from the high-risk, high-reward nature of it without jeopardizing your future. Now, compare this to gold IRAs, which provide diversification through a physical asset. While venture capital can potentially grow your wealth quickly, gold IRAs offer stability, and they've shown their value as a reliable hedge against inflation and market downturns. The risk with venture capital is significant, and for American retirees with a substantial nest egg, preserving that wealth should be the priority. If you're watching this and want to make sure you are investing wisely to secure your future, click the first link in the description to learn more about gold IRAs. This could be the most important move you make in the next few weeks to protect your wealth. To wrap up, venture capital can be part of the puzzle if you're looking for growth, but it shouldn't be the primary focus. Diversifying with stable, low-risk investments like gold IRAs is essential, especially if you're a retiree with 100K, 500K, or even 5M Plus in savings. If you're serious about securing your financial future, gold IRAs are your best option for protecting your wealth from the market's unpredictable swings. So, make sure you explore the Gold IRA Guide now. It's designed specifically for retirees looking to protect their wealth and grow it safely.